Got a zl1 watch today. I'm about to hit the road with Jake.
Oh man, I just come up here at a different time. I didn't know they were coming. We got a few fellows out of the shit we're riding. Who organized it?
We don't even know. Everybody just seen the different posts on Facebook.
Yeah, I saw somebody put it on our page.
Yeah.
And then about 6 of us, 2 of them backed down already.
Yeah.
Well, the older cats, man, they don't go fast. I said, I bet you there's gonna be some young brothers. They're gonna be hauling ass. So they start backing out, man. I said, I run with them. I run with them. Yeah, I saw about 3 or 4 Mustangs getting off.
It looked like it was a Mustang too.
They was just riding around. They ain't organized. But they say meet at the mall, but where? Beside of the mall.
It's the back.
Oh Lord.
That's the back.
He said about the fitness thing.
The Fins and Feathers.
The fitness place over there.
No. It's called Fins and Feathers. That's where the address was that they posted on the flyer.
Oh, so maybe we need to ride on that side.
Okay. We can.
It's a Crunch Fitness. It's a Crunch Fitness right there, but you said mental.
Fins and Feathers.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's right. It's right next to Belk's. So if you go to the back
Oh,
of the mall,
okay.
Yeah, just
Okay.
right back there, you'll see like a big parking lot.
But they said they would leave at like 2:30, something like
Yeah, it's like 2:30, meet up at like 1:30.
that.
Okay.
Let's run on that side, because I'm looking for some high guys, man.
My flyer said 1:30, but he got a different flyer than I got though.
Yeah, it said 1:30 on that one that they sent, but they said they ain't gonna actually leave at like 2:30. I guess they were trying to organize.
Okay. All right, let's roll.
Nice, yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
I'm a Chevy man, but y'all four, they all right too.
Yeah, they everybody cool. Alright, so we done came around and we done found a few more cars around here. So we might turn into something. We might turn into something here. What's up, bro? Got. Hey, man. What's on dirt to come, man?
Nothing, man. My boy down to Columbus, Brewer Speed Shop.
Yeah.
He work on LS Motors, LS X's, 027.
Yeah.
Brewer Speed Shop.
Okay.
That's the one we did that race called Salsa Beat.
Oh yeah. Oh, he did a lot of time. But he cool, man. A retired dude from the Army.
I don't know what this man got going on with this car here, but woo-wee. So sound good.
Wow.
Hey man, the car sound good, no?
Thank you.
This okay?
No.
Oh.
This what this is?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, that's this.
Oh, okay. So I guess there's just no bikes there.
Hey no man.
Well, there might not be at all. Boy, you built it
I mean, I know a few more guys who are coming on bikes.
Nah, come on.
Huh?
You're over at Cookout waiting another week.
Yeah, so you ain't need no sleep. You're a pretty boy. What that little boy say he's a lady?
What you say, what now?
What that little boy say he's a lazy man.
Man.
Oh, this is what you talking about. I thought you were talking about that red.
Nah, this car here. Man got a photo brown on corner, man. Yeah, I guess we finna meet up for the driver meeting or whatever. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so we done lost the rest of the pack. And now we just on 75 clowning around, I guess, with the Corvette crew. And got a couple Mustangs up ahead. Got a few Scat Packs back there. I don't think I seen no Hellcats there, I don't think. So I really don't know what else about them, but yeah, we just climbing around with another one. Yeah, we just playing around. Hey, y'all, look at these Mustangs finna do a run. I'm finna get right there with this shit too. Hey man, I had to come out the gas twice just to stay on, just to be on that with them. What's going on for? Look like he coming. Hey man, he probably ain't even, I don't think he was up on the bulldozer.
He was, he hit up the building.
I heard him build it, but I don't think he was like up on the bulldozer like that. I told you I can't do nothing with them, man. Hey man, the police waiting on me. That's crazy. Look, that's a northern out down the hill, man. Oh, that's a that's a man. No, that's a police out there.
I told them bitches sit on their ass, boy.
Hey, boy, they waiting on us, boy. Gotta ride with my Chevrolet people, man. Hey, you running good. But boy with a tune, I think I.
That right there, he alright.
Just put one right here.
Nah, that one.
This one right here. Y'all should have got him.
We got everybody good for y'all.
What?
We got everybody good for y'all.
I was going after everybody I could.
If I wouldn't stop, I believe I'll fuck you up, dog.
Y'all were talking about going down to 50. I'm like, y'all just go. I was looking at everything. I figured that you were, as it stopped.
Yeah, it's
I
stopped.
figured it was stock, so I was going to get y'all to hit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, but that thing running good. What size turbo you got?
It's a Pro Charger.
Oh, you got a Pro Charger. Oh,
I'm still a pump 93. I can swap it to E85 when I want it.
Okay.
It's on the biggest pulley, so I only make for like 6 pounds of boost.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I've been thinking about getting it. So where you get your work did up?
I do it all. I do it all myself.
I've been thinking about changing pulleys and stuff like that, man. But I just
Yeah, zl1, dude. Fuel system and a pulley. You're good to go.
I actually got the E85 sensor in the trunk, but I don't
think it'll run E85 stock. You probably got to get better injectors.
Everybody keeps saying I need a like a secondary pump.
Yeah, you don't need another fuel pump.
Yeah.
You got one fuel pump, and I use 3 to run E.
Oh, for real?
I use 3 pumps.
So you do all your work yourself?
Yeah. I can't afford a mechanic.
Tune too?
I pay the tuning part is a side bet. Tuning Mustangs are pretty cheap. Like, it only costs $700 for a tune from like a really reputable company.
Yeah, I talked to Pre Performer one time. They told me like 1,800 or something.
Yeah, 1,800, $2 grand, because you got to send off your computer.
Yeah.
I used to use a lock, and I can lock it myself. So
Okay. Hi.
It's another brother.
Y'all went at it,
That group was
man.
in front of us, man.
What group that was in front of us? The Mustangs?
No, it was way more cars that left before we did.
Nah, that'd be.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's the black thing?
What? You said the black? Oh, that's the camera.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
So where's it taking? It's taking what's in the back of you?
Nah, it do a full view.
Are you serious?
Hey, DJ, get. See, I can go.
Oh, shit.
I can go all the way around.
Damn.
I go up.
Damn. So that lens is moving?
Nah, it don't move it
Don't
off.
move it off. But you can see all that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I use this a lot.
When you ride, you just recording your whole shit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that's the shit.
You got it? Let me see it.
Yeah, see, I'm going all the way around.
Us right here now.
See, I can go all the way around, then I can go up. Yeah, so I can go anywhere you want to go.
Yeah, we went.
And you can do that while you riding?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, that's...
Man, we done lost some of the people, but this everybody that done made it to Tifton though. I know I was behind the butt in the scat pack. He got pulled over, so ain't no telling what he had. But boy, it was ass kicking season where we were. I had to get from around them boy. Hey, my man, what happened?
I got a ticket, man.
For what?
You said I was going 49 and 35.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. That crazy. Cause when I see you get pulled all that down, we going the same speed and everything.
Yeah, but you know how that is, man.
I think it's because you got a scat, man.
Yeah.
That's what you got a scat, like. Oh yeah, we showed our ass on 75.
I was like, yeah, we're right around in front of the damn police station. I'm sure that's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
They're definitely gonna turn some heads.